So, hello and welcome to this video. Welcome to Mind Nuggets, where we get to explore all things emerging technology, websites, and so much more. So, in this video, I want to focus on a website that I came across that is called TinyWow. And this is one of the best websites so far in the market, and I'll tell you why. So, what does TinyWow do, you might ask? So TinyWow is a free online file conversation tool that serves as an all-in-one solution. The website you can visit on, it's a website where you can visit web browsers on your mobile devices or computers, and it provides simple editing options such as converting documents to a target format, muting, resizing, and even converting videos to web or GIF. And then you may also ask, as a cyber smart person, is TinyWow secure? They take security seriously because once you've uploaded your document, and after 15 minutes, they delete your information and all the documents uploaded. So it's a free online website where you can convert multiple files without signups or without any payments. So there's so many tasks that you can carry out in TinyWow. And just to give a snippet of what you can do, I'm going to cover some of the tools offered. So we have a merger for PDFs, we have an essay writer, we have a remove background from image, we have a PDF to PNG, and then we have a GPG to PDF, then we have where we can compress your PDF, and Word to PDF, and then we have the split PDF and content improver. So if we click on the all tools, this is a list of what you can do with TinyWow. It's such a great website. So let's say you need to write content, or maybe you're planning to venture into essay writing and you need to write content. You'll just come to essay writer and do that exactly that. So I'm going to be taking you through all this, but in different videos. So kindly hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that whenever I add a new video, you will not miss out on it. Image, you can not only remove the background, but for the image tools, you have an array of options. So you can even translate image. The list is so long. This all the tools that you need for images. And then under the right, AI writer, you can have your essay writer, paragraph writer, content improver, story generator. You can even have Instagram captioning. You can post, you have a post writer where you build a blog in a second. You have an AI detector, a landing page copy, a blog post rewriter where you can rephrase a blog post, and so much that you can do with this software. Then under the video, you have an Instagram download, TikTok video downloader, a compressed video, Twitter download, a video to GIF. You have your Facebook download, MP4 to MP3, trimmed video, mute video, MP4 to MP3. The list is so long, so long. So anything that you might have a challenge with when using your videos, this is the plug. Make sure to visit it. I'll leave a link down below. And then we have the files. So under the files tools, you have the Excel to PDF, split Excel, CSV to Excel, XML to Excel, JSON to XML, split CSV, then we have the XML to CSV, and so on and so forth. So I also like to give an example of the right, under the right. So say I want to write an article. So it's going to come and prompt you to input your article title. So let's say I want to write about the benefits, and then I'll just click on start generating. So the article writer, it has already generated a blog post. And one thing I love about it is that you can actually get to rewrite your paragraphs if you feel that you're not happy with what is generated. You can also keep writing. So what you do, and you can also add in the first headline, second headline, third headline. You can bold or use the italics. And then here it gives you a snippet of what you're going to go find through the article, where you have the introduction to Chat GPT-4, then you have the enhanced communication and collaboration, you have improved customer service, increased efficiency and productivity, personalized and natural conversations, advanced language processing, machine learning, and then you can click on regenerate. So it says writing sections. This will take a minute. So you have the introduction to ChatGPT-4. What is ChatGPT-4? Then you can, it goes ahead to explain what it is, and then uh, the efficient collaboration for project management. These are the areas in which you can use it for. And then reduced workload for customer service representatives. You have the personalized and natural language conversations. It actually gives you a list of what the ChatGPT-4 is all about. And then it even gives you an FAQ kind of section where it says, is ChatGPT-4 suitable for businesses in all industries? It goes ahead and answers the question. So under the keep writing option, let's say here it has the introduction to ChatGPT-4, but it goes ahead to ask us what is ChatGPT-4. So yeah, it also says history of ChatGPT-4 development. And let's say this paragraph you find it to be, or how you find, let's say you find this paragraph to be too short. So what you do, you just click here and then you'd go to keep rewriting, and then it asks you, do you want me to keep continue writing from the current cursor location, or should I go to the end of copy and start writing from there? And then it also asks, gives you an option to start either a text, a sentence, a few sentences, or a paragraph. So I'm going to tell it that it is at the current cursor location, and then I need a paragraph, and then I'll just click on confirm. So it says cursor not found. I'll click right there, then keep rewriting. So I've had to give it end of copy option, then rewrite, keep writing the paragraph. So it says continue writing. This will take a minute. So you see, it has added on benefits of improved conversational abilities, and it has given me a new paragraph on the same right here. So benefits of improved conversational abilities, it has given me a new paragraph. So let's say I also want to add on this paragraph right here. Let's say I find this to be short. I'll just put the cursor right there, then keep writing, end of copy, paragraph, confirm. So you can keep on doing this until you get the number of words that you want. Say if you want to write a 500 word, you can keep doing this until you attain it. Kindly note that anything that has been written by AI will never match up to anything written by a human being. So this is just to guide you on what you're supposed to write. You also need to go through it thoroughly, improve on the grammar, make sure it's accurate, make sure it is plagiarism free, and observe all the article writing rules that are to be followed. That's just a snippet of what you would expect under the AI writer. There's so much that you can do with it. you have, and sorry, I forgot to mention this. In case you choose to move from one tool to the other, it is always advisable to save your work. As you can see, I've just moved to another tool without me having copied and saved the article that was rewritten. So that's what I was saying about the security issues. They really take security seriously. So whenever you generate any documents or upload any documents, you need to save them before you turn to a different tool so that you don't lose your work. So under the AI right, we also have a blog outline generator, meta description generator, description for your articles. Let's just click on this out of curiosity to see what it's all about. So let's say you want to have a bookshop business and you need a name for that. So you'll just write the idea of the business and then generate. So this takes a minute. As you can see, it has given us an output of open page prestige, bookworm emporium, lit avenue, page tuner, SEO, reading nook haven, reading realm, novelty house. So it's a list that goes on. I mean, you can choose from at least, I think there are 10 outputs. The Scribble, Shopee, Pursue, and Browse Books. Yeah, and it's such an interesting software. So you can download this. You can save to device or save to drive. So it gives you an option to either save it on your PC or save it on your drive if you don't have space on your PC, which is also a plus. And then you can also give them a rate for your results. And then you can share on your social media. And they say that consider sharing as payment because they have given this for free, because one good deed deserves another. So under the video, I'll cover this in a different video and the file as well, so that I can be in a position to go through each and every last one of them. So that covers it for this video, guys. Kindly, if you haven't subscribed, head on to the button below, click on the subscribe button. Kindly, it's for free. Give this video a like and remember to share. And until next time, have a good one.